All right, boys, welcome to the lesson on bird bill or beak, leg, and feet adaptations. Now, each of these three parts of a bird, the bill, the feet, and the legs, adapt and change depending on where the bird lives and what the bird eats. And each of these are unique in that regard and will help us to learn about the bird's diet and about the bird's habitat by looking at and exploring these three parts of the bird. Looking here at this page, down the pictures here, down the right-hand column, we have a variety of different beaks. A filtering beak that could be from a duck, a probing beak like a piping plover or a bird that lives on the beach, insect catcher, a seed cracker, a meat terror, and one from a woodpecker that would drill holes. On the left-hand side of this column, we have different types of feet. Webbed feet for swimming, wide toes for walking or swimming, pointed wide toes for walking, a perching bird like a cardinal or a house sparrow. Seizing prey would correspond with the meat terror over here, okay, and a climbing bird like a nuthatch or a woodpecker. Now, if you note that these each correspond with the one across from it. We'll go here now to this web page, and I'll actually provide you a link to this web page, bird adaptations and beaks. And as you scroll across each of these, it identifies the bird for you and gives a short description of the bird's beak. Here's eagle, a meat terror beak. Okay, here would be a spoonbill, one that we've talked about or will talk about in class. Moving on to looking at birds' feet. Here are a variety of different feet: perching birds, woodpeckers, water birds, wading birds. Note that a water bird would be a swimmer, and a wading bird would be a bird who walks through the water. Raptors. Moving on to flightless birds down at the end here. Okay, again, make note of the descriptions that are provided. Now looking at bird legs. We've talked about the beaks, we've talked about the feet, and the feet and the beaks are coordinated or representative of each other. And the legs also play a role. There are fewer options with legs. You have a perching bird, as you see here, with very short, small, light legs. Would be a house sparrow, for example, or a junco. We have a wading bird here, or a bird with much longer legs. We live in some sort of an aquatic environment. And finally, we have a bird like a raptor, eagle, owl, any sort of a meat terror bird, which would have very short, powerful, thick legs. Lastly, I'll provide you a link on my Fezzi to this Sibley Guide quiz, a bird ID by legs and feet, and allow you to use this as a way to quiz yourselves, see if you can identify the type of bird based on these legs that it has. So here's a bird. It's perching. It's pretty small, lightweight. Okay, you decide. Again, perching bird, different color to the legs as the above bird had. Maybe that's a giveaway. See if you can identify those. Thanks for watching.